Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics, focusing on the medieval period and the foundations that were laid during this transformative era. While Europe experienced a period of intellectual stagnation during the Dark Ages, focusing on theology and philosophy, the East was flourishing. Civilizations in China, India, and the Islamic Empire made rapid advancements in mathematical knowledge, preserving and expanding upon scientific foundations. Early European mathematics faced significant hurdles. Knowledge was restricted to limited texts, calculation was hindered by inefficient Roman numerals, and trade arithmetic relied entirely on physical tools like the abacus. Physical calculation was essential for early commerce. Merchants used tools like the Bi-Quinary abacus to manage complex trade, allowing them to visualize and track large sums by manipulating beads across columns representing different place values. The 12th century saw a major shift. Expanding trade networks with the East brought new mathematical concepts into Europe. Mathematics began to move out of the academic and theological realms and into the practical, daily commercial lives of common people. European mathematical literacy was restored through the systematic translation of Islamic and Greek texts. Scholars like Robert of Chester and Adelard of Bath translated foundational works on algebra and geometry, bridging a long gap in knowledge. The mid-15th century invention of the printing press was a turning point. It allowed for the mass production of arithmetic textbooks, democratizing commercial methods and cementing mathematics as a vital part of general European education. Fibonacci, or Leonardo of Pisa, engineered perhaps the greatest operational leap in arithmetic. By promoting the adoption of the Hindu-Arabic numeral system, he helped make the cumbersome Roman numeral system obsolete, unlocking new potential for advanced calculations. Nicole Oresme anticipated key modern concepts long before they were formalized. His work included early forms of coordinate geometry, the use of fractional exponents, and important insights into infinite series. Oresme also provided a visual proof for the mechanics of uniform acceleration. By mapping speed against time, he demonstrated that an accelerating object covers the same distance as one traveling at a constant average speed. Regiomontanus was instrumental in establishing trigonometry as an independent branch of mathematics. Through his seminal work, De Triangulis, he provided a foundation that still influences the standard curriculum taught today. Nicholas of Cusa foreshadowed the scientific revolution. His abstract mathematical frameworks regarding infinity, combined with his intuitive ideas about planetary motion, laid essential groundwork for later geniuses like Kepler and Leibniz. The intellectual lineage from medieval scholars to Renaissance titans is clear. Their work on coordinates, celestial mechanics, and calculus provided the essential blueprints for the advancements that followed. These four thinkers, Fibonacci, Oresme, Regiomontanus, and Nicholas of Cusa, acted as builders of the bridge to modern mathematics, each introducing innovations that remain foundational today. Thank you for watching this overview of the significant contributions made during the medieval period to the history of mathematics.